year after year. It's great to see all the different groups that come out.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us. We really, really appreciate it. Have a great night.
It's so many different variables that go into our success. But in the end, it's everyone in this room that makes it possible.
I'm glad you're enjoying this weekend. Thank you for choosing to spend it with us.